Hello, I'm Brent and welcome to the Scratch Essentials Creating an Account and Remixing a Project series. In this video, we're going to figure out how to create an Educator Scratch account. Let's get stuck into it. So if you haven't already, open up your favorite browser. I've got Chrome open here and just type in Scratch as a Google search like I've done here and click on the top result, which is Scratch Imagine Program. Cool, and this will take you to the Scratch landing page. Probably go ahead and bookmark this page. Otherwise, just memorize the link and type it in for next time. So there are a couple of ways that you can go about signing up to an account. You can just do the stock standard join Scratch way, which if you're a teacher should be pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts and go through this sign up sequence here. But I recommend that if you are a teacher and you've got a class and you will be wanting students to be using Scratch projects, I would go ahead and click this For Educators sign up link here. And this is Scratch for Educators. Probably go ahead and have a little bit of a read through this one. But essentially what you're going to go down and do is request a Scratch teacher account. You'll go ahead and create a username here. So I could create a username there and type in a password, and there we go. And it will take you through a whole heap of things that you need to go ahead and complete. Once you've done that, the Scratch team will notify you probably within a day or two that your account's been approved, and you can go ahead and start adding some students to your class, which I'll just pause the video and I will show you how to do that in another screen. So I have just signed into my Scratch Educator account. My account is called Disabilipede, and you can see here that this is my teacher account here. There are a couple of resources that I encourage you to read through, but right now I want to set you up in such a way that you can add students to your class right now. So if you go up to your username up here and go to My Classes, then you can see I've already got a couple of classes set up here for the kids that I teach at my school. So what you can go ahead and do is just go and click New Class. You'll type in your class name, so I'm just going to type in my class here, and another class for its description. I'll add the class, and boom, that has done that very nicely. Now to add students to your class, you need to press on the Students tab here, and there are a couple of ways that you can do that. You can go and manually type in some usernames for the students. You can upload a CVS file with usernames and passwords. Bear in mind that if there is a clashing username here, that you may run into some problems. And the other way, if you've got students who are probably, I'd say grade 3 or above, or level 3 and above, you can do this student sign up link here. So you can generate it, and I'm pretty sure this is a temporary link here. And I'll show you what that does. If I copy that and I paste it into a new tab, it will take you to a class registration page, and the students can sign up themselves through this portal, and they will be directly linked to the class that you created. So this would be really handy, I guess, if you're like a digital technology teacher at your school. You could have all these classes set up. It would still be useful if you've got a single class of your own and you just want every student in the class that you set up. It's very handy just to have at a glance view of what the students are up to. Cool, so I will go ahead and probably leave that video there. That is how you go ahead and create a Scratch account. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.